In 1964 we started with the first production of these double columns. As you can imagine, due to this long history, we are really at the upper end of the high quality and the big demands of the customers, especially in the die and mold sectors. This MCR-S, which is in the background, is completely dedicated for the die and mold, especially car industry. As you can see on the dies, side dies which are on that part is, there's certain machinings for more than 50 hours machining. And as you can imagine, we are talking about micron levels. 50 hours, there's a huge deviation in the machine, which we are compensating with thermo-friendly concept. Therefore, we developed this absolutely new hypersurface, which is checking the different points of the CAD cam, align them by themselves, so the operator actually has nothing to do, just to press the button and the output will be perfect. We have more than 100 different attachments available with different angles, different outputs, different powers, different spindle speeds. So all in all, whatever you need, we can offer that one.
Today I will introduce you the new ROID system. ROID is the name for Robot Integrated Design. Now we are in front of the milling machine, the MB46V machine. So the advantages for this system is that the robot can automatically load and unload parts during machining. OKUMA uses a special system which is called collision avoidance system, which always checks in advance if a collision would occur. The ROID solution for the turning machines and the multitasking machines is the ARMROID. Basically, it's a SCARA robot that is integrated into the machine tool and can help the operator to load and unload the spindle, to turn over a part so that you can have a full machining of the full part inside a tailstock machine. The ARMROID is integrated into the machine tool, so there's no space in front of the machine that needs to be reserved for it.